These are 10 free quest games. And at the end of the video, I have an insane free-to-play best FPS shooter I think I've ever seen in my life. So number one, we have One True Path. Honestly, this game is so cool. One True Path is a story game with amazing graphics where your goal is to solve a murder of some random famous artist named Jack Stevenson. Like, we don't even know who that is, nor do we care, but that is besides the point. In this game, you're supposed to find clues, secrets, fight enemies, subscribe to my channel, and do anything necessary to solve the murder of some guy that you literally have never met in your life and don't care about. There are 3 worlds in this game. There's a fantasy world, a sci-fi world, and a dystopian world. I don't want to get too in-depth because this is something you have to find out for yourself. There are hidden clues everywhere, hidden secrets, and honestly, if you're a G and you're a subscriber of mine, finding these secrets will be really easy because everyone who subscribed to me has an IQ of 400. There's so many cool things. I can't talk about this game anymore. I'm going to spoil it, and I just don't want to do that for you. Next, we have X8. Now, X8 is a 5 versus 5 multiplayer FPS game, kind of like Valorant and Overwatch, one of those hero shooters. And this game, the storyline is about some rogue person that you still don't know, named X8, who collects heroes to fight each other. There are tons of heroes to pick from and fight with, like you can in League of Legends. Now, I've never played League, but I'm pretty sure that's how the game goes. I saw the show. There are different abilities for each hero, like turrets, tripwires, annoying smokes, all that jazz. You can customize your own loadouts to your heart's content, like Call of Duty. And this is also a very strategic game. So again, if you're not one of my subscribers who are already geniuses, so don't even try to out-genius my subscribers. The next game we have on this list is Hello Dot. Hello Dot is a simple mixed reality pet game where it's just you and this pet in your living room or your bedroom, wherever you want to play. Now in this game, it's pretty much just you and this pet, and you can change it to different colors, or you can just smack it all day if you'd like. Now, one thing that makes this game super unique, and it makes it the most unique quest game of all time, is the fact that it uses a feature with the headset where if you put your pet behind a chair or behind a desk or behind your hand, it will actually go behind the object. Like, it's so cool. Like, and the game can do this because it uses the sensors of the Quest 3, and I think the Quest 3S also has the same sensors as well to allow it to happen. It's just so cool. Like let's say you accidentally throw your pet accidentally, in quotations, you accidentally throw your pet across your bed, and it goes behind your bed. You can't see it. You actually have to go around your bed and see it yourself. Yeah, it's really cool. Next, we have Horizon Worlds. Now, when I first saw this game, I literally wanted nothing to do with it. It's improved so far. This is Mark Zuckerberg's version of Roblox. It's a sandbox multiplayer game where you join different worlds with your friends and play all the worlds. Like, there are different worlds you can join. They all have events, game modes, and just several things you can do. This is somehow being constantly updated by Meta, and I'm sure there is a demand for this game somewhere out there. And yeah, in this game you can interact with people if that's something you do. I mean, if you don't interact with people or you don't know what grass is, it's okay. You don't have to play this game. You can save it for another time. Now we have A Township Tale. Now this game is literally just like Minecraft in VR, where you and your friends, find a town, loot it, explore, gain materials. It's like a medieval survival game. You can go loot, break trees, go mining, build a community with your friends, or even by yourself if you're a popular loner. We're all popular loners, I guess. You can choose one of 3 classes. You could be a warrior, a blacksmith, or a crafter. Each class has its own benefits and fall-offs as well. You can customize your own gear so you can look like an absolute goat in shining armor, or you can look like a peasant. You can go into caves, explore, or go to climbing towers. Yeah, it's a new update. Go check it out. Next game, we have Thief Simulator Prologue. This is a free version of Thief Simulator. And in this game, it's literally in the title. You have to have 2 IQ to not know what the game is without me explaining it. But in this game, you are a thief trying to steal from many places. And in this game, you're trying to escape from business in many ways. You lockpick, safe cracking, steal cars, and way more. Yeah, there's not much more to say about this game. Cube Arena. This is a MOBA FPS game where you fight other enemies. Tons of enemies, gain XP like you do in Minecraft, upgrade your skills, and continue the cycle until your fingers fall off and you can't sleep anymore and your brain is absolutely fried and your eyeballs are slowly mushing out of your head. That might have been a little too much. The next game we have is Tunnels. Now, this game is not for people who have claustrophobia. That's a big word. Search it up if you don't know what it means. My subscribers already know what it means, so they don't have to do that. So unless you don't like watching those uncomfortable caving videos, don't play this game. This game is called Tunnels, and it's because you're literally in tunnels in an abandoned mine, and you're exploring it. You're trying to find your way out. and you are unfortunately not alone. You have to put in codes, climb ropes, fall down, get back up, fly, jump, do backflips, and do everything to ensure that you can go home and get on TikTok. Next game is Banter VR. This is a physics-based game that is kind of like VR chat. I'm sick of mentioning VR chat in all these videos because there are a lot of games that want to be like them. And this game, but this game is a little different because you can do other, like, can you go skiing in VR chat? Maybe, but you can also do it in this game. You can also do parkour. It's pretty, or the dropper for Minecraft, karaoke, and so much random stuff that they put in this game that honestly, you might as well just live in this game rather than just live in real life. This game is on early access and it's also on Steam, which means that all your regular lame friends who don't have VR can play this game with you. Yeah, this game is inspired by Bone Lab physics. It's super customizable characters. They claim to have good audio. And they're also doing Quest 3 giveaways. So if you're on the Quest 2 or you don't have VR headset at all, you can somehow hope they're telling the truth and somehow hope that they are going to give away a Quest 3. Most of the time, I feel like they're capping. Finally, the last game we have is Frenzies. Frenzies is it's a game meant for FPS legends like my subscribers. And before I continue with this game, I just want to let you know that this is one of the coolest looking FPS games I've ever seen on the Quest. Now, this is a super fast-paced FPS game with many guns. You can even have 2 guns at once, like a super cool British main character of a movie. You can customize your avatar, fight people, and just be super cool. There are up to 12 players in a game, and every map is this game is super colorful, just like Call of Duty Black Ops 3, which is the best COD of all time. Argue with your mama. And yeah, this is a solid game, and if you guys enjoyed the video, let me know.